Hello everyone, it's me Ahmed Radwan, and we are going to continue my series about PHP from scratch. Today we are going to continue also with loops, but this time we are going to talk about special kind of loop. It's called for each. Why is special? Because it's for each only works with arrays. It doesn't work with anything else. You have to have an array in order to use for each. So let's get started. Here I have empty script, nothing in it. So I will just create an array and we'll call it ARR. Okay. In order to create an array, I have to use a keyword array like that. Okay, then the round brackets, then I place some values, whatever values you want. Okay, make this one 61. Then I close the statement with the semicolon as usual. Okay, now if I want to display one of these value, for example I want to display the 98 here, how to do that? I can use echo, then the array name, which is ARR, and the square bracket, and inside the square bracket I place the index of this item. Okay, so here we always, as I said, if you haven't watched my videos about arrays, please do so. So here the index of the array starts always from 0. So this one, the index of it is 0, and this 5 its index is 1, and this 6 its index is 2, and this 98 its index is 3. So to get the 98 I have to put here 3, and just let's run it. Okay, this is something from previous one. Okay, so the result, sometimes it takes time to display the result. I got already 98, and that's what I want. Now what if I want to print all the values in the array? Okay, I can use something like that: echo array 01, echo array 0, array 1, array 2, and so on until I finish all the items. But I can also use the for each loop. Okay, the for each loop is like similar to for loop or for while loop. Okay, also you have to use the round brackets like that and the curly brackets like that. Okay, I like to use the enter here to just make this new looks nicer. And here I used to place my condition. If you remember my tutorial about for or about while, I place the condition here. But this loop has no condition. Okay, you don't need to deal with any condition or any initial value. All what you need to give to this statement as parameters are just the array name and the value that will hold the variable that will hold the array value or the element value. Okay, so here you have to give the array name like that. Its name is array, and I have to use also the keyword as. Okay, so I have to give the array name and use the keyword as, and I place it as here what the variable that will hold the values in the array. So I just use value. Okay, for each array as value. This variable will hold the value of the array items. Okay, so now inside the curly brackets, if I want to display them all, I just use echo and value. That's it. Okay, this for each will loop through all the array items all the array items and place them one by one inside this value, inside this variable called value. Okay, here I will also use sorry, we will also use HTML tag br, okay, just to have new lines, and let's run it. As you see, I got all the values of the array here. Okay, as you can see, I got all the values of the array. I didn't need to worry about how many items I have in the array. I don't need to worry about anything. I just have to use the array name and the keyword as, and place these values in a variable. It's not necessary to have this exact name. Maybe you can use val, for example, or whatever you like. For example, here I will use val. It's no problem at all. Okay, it's not a keyword. Okay, so now what if I have associative array like this one? I will create an associative array. If you don't know about associative array, please watch my video about that. Associative array, basically I will assign a value for sorry, a key, string key for a value. Okay, say for example f will goes to, and I have to use this sign, goes to fib. Okay, and another one, m goes to, I want to make it capital, goes to sorry, March. What happened here? I deleted the round brackets here. Okay, and I deleted also this one accidentally. Okay, then maybe another semicolon. I say a goes to April. I'm sorry, I have to use this one. Then that's it. Now I have associative array. Okay, associative array. Associative array means what? I have keys and I assign value for each key. Okay, so if I run this script at the moment, I will have what? I will have Feb, March, April, like that. You see? Let's run it. Okay, what if I want to print the keys themselves? I want to print the F, the M, and the A. So here, after as, I use this key for each array as $sign key. I will place the keys, and I use this goes to value or val. Okay, because here I'm printing val. So here I'm using this word key to hold the array keys, and I'm using value to hold the array values. Okay, so now I want to print them in one line, so I will just go here and echo the key and dot. I use the dot to join two strings together, or join two variables together. Then I will use this one just like that. Okay, and place here the dot here to connect all together in one line. Seems like I did also a mistake here. This one is extra, and this one also extra. Okay, let's run it now. I place space here to be in one line. As you can see, I got F, and I got February, I got M, and I got March, and I got A, and got April. Okay, so basically when you use for each, it will loop through all the items of the array. You don't need to place any condition here or any initial value. And if you want to get only the value, use val after as you use only one variable to hold the values. If you want to get the keys and the value, you have to use it in this way. Keys goes to value. Okay, the keys will hold the keys of the array, and the val will hold the values. Okay, and I hope that was clear for you, and thank you very much for watching my video. See you later.